Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market. Got a 2011 Peachtree 88 flat top to show you. Great work truck, built with a C13 cat, 18 speed, full double frame, full lockers, and a wet kit. It's only got 294,000 original miles. We got this from the original owner, so one owner truck. It did come out as a factory day cab. The original owners added a coffin sleeper at some point. When they did, they had it painted. Only thing I don't love about the truck, they did not paint the firewall on the new side. Overall, pretty nice truck. Got a little bit of rust around some of the bolts, various places, but overall your frame rails are clean. Blow-by looks good. Body and paint is in good shape. The only thing that I've noticed, did have a chip right here on the fender. And when we get back around the other side, it's clear coat's peeling on the other fender as well. Factory split tank, really nicely, neatly done. So the frame rails are in good shape. Air track suspension. Good rubber all around. It's got a pintle hitch as well. 46 rears. Excellent brakes. Top side of your half fenders there, got some rubs on them. See the clear coat feeling here. Interior's clean, it's your 18 speed. Total miles and hours. Low side oil pressure. Smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up like it should as well. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got more questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.